Hey friends, really excited to be launching the new Mega Menu plugin. So there's two different layouts I want to show you. There's one that's just the full width layout like this, and then the other is Inset. That's really cool. I want to show you that. I think that's fun. And then I want to walk you through the installation and the editing and updating of this, because these are just normal Squarespace sections. So it's really easy to edit and make changes to your website. So first thing, this is our full width layout. So the content goes full width like you'd expect for a section. You can put whatever you want in there. As you move between the different options, the height automatically adjusts. If it's too tall for the page, you can still scroll. So the user still knows that this is actually a menu. We can see a little bit of the background. You can also see that the background, it fades out and gets a little blurry, which keeps the focus right here, right on us, right whatever to whatever the mega menu is showing. So this one's really nice. And then one of my favorite like subtle features, you don't really notice it until you notice it, is our header right here. The color of it adapts to whatever our menu is. So you notice it's white here, our text is white here, and then as we open up one of these, it adapts. So it matches your color theme of whatever this section is. So these are some really nice features. So this is something I really love. Really like this is kind of your default mega menu. It's really lovely. Then we also have this inset layout. So let's take a look at this. So this one's cool because you can predefine the width of each one of these different items. And so you can have a lot more fun and play around with it. So as we move over, notice the width automatically and smoothly adjusts wide. The height adjusts as well. And it just looks beautiful. Another great thing, this is with both of them, not just the inset, is that the height will automatically adapt as well. So if we open this, it just kind of opens and grows with us. So it just works right out of the box how you would expect it to. And then as we scroll off, it just kind of fades away. So these are two pretty beautiful little layouts for creating mega menus. Really, really excited about this. So how do we edit and make changes? Well, it's very simple. I give you a specific little link structure that you use for our links right here in our main navigation, and it just points to different pages on your website. So for our About one, you add in the little link structure and then say, what URL do I want to pull in? And for me, that is the URL of this page. So here is our About menu. So you can easily just come in here, make a change. We'll say instead of featured product, my mega menu. Just make that change, hit save. We'll go back to our home page, and then as we open up our About, it says my mega menu. So you just make normal changes to your Squarespace website as you would expect, and it just works right out of the box. Okay, one other thing is, how does this look on mobile? So let's go over to mobile. So right here, it's your standard layout with our options right here, but then as we open one of these, we have the mobile layout. So you can easily edit the mobile layout to be whatever you want. You just edit these pages like normal pages in Squarespace, and it just pulls them right in. So really love this plugin, really excited to get it into your hands so you can play around with it and see how it works and just create way more amazing things than I ever could. So I'm excited to see what you do with it. Hope you enjoy this plugin, and we'll see you next time.